Hey there! Today we're checking out the top 3 best electric knife sharpeners, and here on Tech Kingo, we'll help you find the perfect tool for sharper, safer cutting. Let's get started. Beginning our countdown at number 3 is the Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener. The Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener is designed to bring precision and convenience to every kitchen and workspace. Featuring 3 adjustable rotational speeds, low, medium, and high, this sharpener allows users to tailor the sharpening process to the specific blade and task at hand. Its intuitive LCD display makes selecting and monitoring the desired speed effortless, ensuring a smooth experience even for beginners. Operation is simple and straightforward. Users just turn on the sharpener, choose the appropriate speed, insert the knife into the designated slot, and pull it out in one direction. Repeating this process 3 to 5 times per slot effectively restores the sharpness of knives, making them ready for immediate use. The sharpener accommodates a wide variety of tools, supporting straight knives, serrated knives, meat cleavers, ceramic knives, scissors, and even axes. Its removable ceramic polishing rods further enhance functionality, allowing users to refine the blade's edge and achieve a polished finish for precision cutting. Cleaning and maintenance are made easy with the innovative bottom swarf plate. This thoughtfully designed feature captures metal shavings and debris, keeping the work area tidy and reducing cleanup effort. The plate is removable, making it convenient to empty and wash after use. With applications ranging from everyday kitchen tasks to outdoor and craft projects, the Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener is a versatile tool for maintaining sharp, efficient blades. Backed by responsive after-sales support, it ensures assistance is available for any questions or issues, providing confidence and peace of mind for every user. Compact, efficient, and easy to operate, this sharpener combines practicality and performance in a single, all-in-one solution. Up next, ranked at number 2, is the Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener. The Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener is designed to bring professional-grade sharpening into the home kitchen. Featuring a dual-stage system, it allows for quick, crude sharpening, followed by a fine stage that polishes the blade, creating a smooth, burr-free edge. With this system, knives regain their sharpness in just seconds, making everyday cutting tasks effortless. This sharpener uses diamond abrasives, a material renowned for its hardness and efficiency. Diamond allows blades to be sharpened faster and with less effort, while achieving a smoother and more precise edge. It is compatible with a wide range of knives, including straight, serrated, stainless steel, and ceramic varieties, making it versatile for all culinary needs. An upgraded feature of the Dawnstar sharpener is its auto angle guide. Sharpening no longer requires skill or guesswork, as the guide ensures each blade is positioned at the perfect angle, saving time and improving consistency. The machine also addresses stability and comfort. Its lower center of gravity, 4 anti-slip foot pads, and ergonomic handle reduce vibration and make sharpening safer and more comfortable. Designed for global use, the Dawnstar S865 electric knife sharpener supports 100-240-volt input, making it suitable for users worldwide. Dawnstar backs the product with customer-focused services, including 12 months of free replacement or refund and 24 months of after-sales support, ensuring confidence in purchase and continued satisfaction. Overall, the Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener combines precision, efficiency, and convenience, transforming the chore of knife maintenance into a quick and reliable process for any home kitchen. And now, the number 1 spot goes to the Chef's Choice 15XV Electric Knife Sharpener. The Chef's Choice 15XV Electric Knife Sharpener is designed to transform everyday household knives into precision cutting tools with professional-level performance. By converting standard 20-degree factory edges into high-performance 15-degree Trizer XV edges, it delivers sharper, longer-lasting blades that make slicing, dicing, and chopping effortless. Equipped with advanced diamond abrasives, the sharpener handles both straight-edge and serrated knives with precision. Its 3-stage edge select sharpening system provides comprehensive care for every knife. Stages 1 and 2, plated with 100% diamond abrasives, efficiently sharpen and hone the blade, while Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish edges and extend the life of serrated knives. This combination ensures knives reach a flawless, razor-sharp finish suitable for all cutting tasks. Ease of use is a hallmark of the 15XV. Patented flexible spring guides automatically adjust to the correct sharpening angle, offering precise control without requiring manual adjustments. A simple on-off switch further simplifies the operation, making professional-grade sharpening accessible to any home cook. Speed and efficiency are key features. Initial sharpening typically takes only about 1 minute, while resharpening requires roughly 10 seconds, allowing for quick maintenance and consistent performance. The result is a knife edge that combines the strength and durability of the Trizor edge with the exceptional sharpness of XV technology, making cutting tasks faster, smoother, and safer. Compact and easy to operate, the Chef's Choice 15XV Electric Knife Sharpener is ideal for anyone looking to maintain a professional-level edge on their kitchen knives, ensuring precision and effortless cutting every time. Sharper tools, easier life. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful content.